They're hungry.
Yeah, they are starving.
They're so cute. You're okay. Oh. Aw. OMG. OMG. Porties.
Yep.
Bunch of sassy babies.
There we go. Oh shoot, I'm keeping my finger to take the picture.
Hold the light.
Oh, I think I got it. There we go. Did I get it?
Nope.
Okay.
Yeah, you definitely got it.
There we go.
What does this girl look like? Good guy.
Black.
All black.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's all black.
I can't see him.
So black. Oh good, then I feel confident there are fives. Only five, so close. Okay.
Are you kidding?
Always.
I don't look as good in hats as you do.
I don't know if that's true.
I know what I know.
Oh, it's the back.
You happy with yourself?
Yes.
What's your brother doing? Really? Maddie, you can come here, Madge. We are going to put the 5 little babies we just rescued in the rain in here and hang out for a little bit and see how they are until we can get them at their new home. We'll have to close up some of the holes with some zip ties and stuff, but it will do for now until we can get something better. Sorry, guys. Did not mean to segregate y'all. What? What? Oh my goodness. Really? Really? Girls. Hey. Hey, honey. Hi. You gotta be good to Maddie. She'll take care of you. But you gotta be good. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, release from the back. Doing a dump and release. Oh, they're coming, oh, they're coming, oh my gosh. There we go. Come on, one. Keep going. not put that part in there. You guys eating? Oh my goodness. She said, get out of here. Oh my goodness. They were hungry. They don't look bad though. They're like that's Apollo's sacred toy from his baby days. You're gonna get in trouble. Here he comes now. She's got your toy. She's got your toy. Ah. Oh. Junie.